welcome back to another exciting video of Redefine Fishing channel, making fishing memorable. On this short video, we came to visit, me and my buddies, we came to visit the Stan Blum Boat Ramp that is located in Ft.Pierce, Florida. It was a Sunday, we took a trip down here. We wanted to check it out. I've been told about it, and I have to say that it will become one of our next ramp that we will be launching our boat to go fishing or just to go cruise in the area. That day that we went, it was pretty crowded. There was a lot of activity going on. Very beautiful water. There was this small crab that was just cruising and just came by to say, hey guys, welcome to Ft.Pierce. Also, so another little friend that came to say hi was a baby blowfish. He was swimming around on that little small clear, I don't know, pond or water that was draining from the ocean. And of course my buddy Carlos had to grab a little crab and we say hi. As you could see, there was a lot of activity going on. There was a lot of boats. Some were fishing, others were just cruising around. It was really packed. That is called Jim Island, and it's I think that's the Jim Island Bait and Tackle that is located right across, and it was also crowded. And there were all kind of boats. We really enjoyed the little time that we spent there. And of course, from the North Causeway or the A1A, there's always the young kids. Hey, we were young as well, and they were jumping from the bridge, which it's illegal. You're not supposed to. It's not safe. But again, we've done it. For those who know me from Puerto Rico or St. Croix, we used to do that back home as well. I've never done it here. And when we left, unfortunately, they were stopped, or they were told by the Florida Fish and Wildlife that they couldn't be jumping from there. But again, it was a short video. I hope you enjoy it. If you liked it, if you enjoyed the video, just click like. And if you're down in the area, take a trip down to the Stan Blum Boat Ramp located in Ft.Pierce, Florida. If you have a boat, jet ski, canoe, whatever, just to cruise down and just sit down and relax, even to go fishing from the ramp, or there's some areas that you could fish from. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click like. For those who have not subscribed, oh, there he went. That was one, and I think there's gonna be another one soon. Let me see. I think this one is gonna be going to do a backflip. So let's see. Oh, there he goes. Amazing. I mean, they're having fun. They're enjoying themselves. So don't forget to click like if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Don't forget to click that notification button, because that's gonna let you know when I'm gonna be putting more videos, which there are coming more videos. We're gonna be busy this year. Hopefully both of the boats will be ready. But hope you enjoy it.